Hello guys, today I will show you how you can rearrange your home and lock screen in the VIVO Y22s. So we start from the widgets. If you want to add some to your home screen, just hold the finger on empty place on your screen and choose widgets. Now just choose your widget and hold it, slide to up and choose the place on the home screen. That's it. If you want to resize it, hold the finger again and use that edges. If you want to remove it, hold the finger again and choose remove. If you want to make a folder, just take any app and drop onto another. But if you want to change the name of the folder, click here. And if you want to remove the folder, just take out all of the apps. Now we can go to the UI colors in this way, and there is a place where you can change the colors of your system. You can also apply the colors to the icons, like this one. Now we can go to the settings. There is a place where you can change the theme, but if you want more settings, go to the dynamic effects. And now you can change the animation of a lot of things in your phone, like a home screen entering, facial recognition, charging animation, USB insertion, or screen on-off animation. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.